I'm just going to give you a tip here. There is one way to order food at a restaurant, okay? It is not, let me get. It is not, I'll have. It is not, give me, okay? Anderson, what's the one way to order food at a restaurant? Let's say you wanted to get the, I don't know, 8-ounce filet. How would you order that?
May I please have the 8-ounce filet?
Yeah, and when they say, absolutely, what do you say?
Thank you so much.
Exactly. And your food tends to come to the table pretty quickly, right?
Yeah.
People tend to like when you're their customer, yes?
Yeah, I feel like people pick up what you put down, and if you're nice to them, like, they'll treat you well.
Yeah. How many times have we gotten hooked up at a restaurant? A lot, right? And gotten the best service when we just had it this weekend, right? At that restaurant by the pool. That guy, I felt bad for that guy.
Yeah.
He was in a bad spot.
Yeah.
Right? He was working like 52 tables. He had no busser. There was pissed off people all around. You were just polite and respectful. We got our food before anybody else. Mm-hmm. And we got 2 orders of the guacamole, which was another mistake. But he was like, hey, you just keep it. Just keep it, right? Everybody else was, their hair was on fire. That's those little things. Like, if you're just polite, if you're respectful, it makes such a huge, huge difference. Huge difference.